Alfusion NEM Review 2025. Is this the best tool? Mobile device management is essential for businesses with remote or field teams, and most people get this wrong by assuming all MEM tools are the same. Gulfusion stands out in 2025. Gulfusion provides device enrollment, remote configuration, app management, and security compliance across Android, iOS, Windows, and macOS devices. You won't believe what happens next. It also allows kiosk mode, restricting devices to specific apps, which is perfect for retail, healthcare, and field operations. The dashboard offers real-time monitoring of device health, location, and usage. Teams can push updates, enforce policies, and remotely wipe devices if lost. The surprising truth is that Gulfusion combines security, productivity, and analytics in one platform, making it easier to manage large fleets. Pricing is competitive and scales with the number of devices, but small businesses may find some features more advanced than needed. For enterprises, Gulfusion provides robust features without requiring separate tools for security and app management. In conclusion, Gulfusion is a top tool for businesses in 2025 looking to manage devices efficiently, secure data, and improve employee productivity. Its multi-platform support, security features, and analytics make it a standout choice for administrators.